Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 4th of August 2024. I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for Tesla for the upcoming expiry on the 9th. Let me zoom in here. The PE max Y level is the same, but the CE went down, so that's negative. Quantity is higher for PE, that's negative. The change is higher for CE, that's negative. Short squeeze is higher for CE, that's positive. Let me fix that. That's positive. PCR is still below 1 and lower than the previous, that's negative. Implied and historical volatility are both higher, so that's two negatives. RSI is lower, that's negative. Divergence doesn't exist, that's negative now, because we are now in correction territory. ADX is lower, that's negative. ATR is higher, that's negative. EMAs are both higher, that's two positives. VWAP is lower, that's negative. Pivot point is lower, that's negative. And the candlestick is bearish. The support now is 200, the same as last week. However, the resistance is now 230 instead of 235 as the previous week's analysis showed. That's all for this video, and the prediction for Tesla is that it goes down based on the option chain. Thank you for watching, enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.